the following summer, I go to LA to do a story on Gretzky's first year with the Kings. And I go to LA. I brought my girlfriend at the time down for the weekend, interview, Wayne and Janet and all this stuff, and interview Bruce McNall. And so finished the interview with McNall, and he says, what are you doing? I said, I'm going to stay for the weekend. I brought my girlfriend, whatever. He says, oh, I got a movie premiering on Saturday. Do you want to go? I'm like, sure. So I said to my girlfriend, you want to go to a Hollywood premiere? She's like, yeah. So we go, and it's this comedy. And halfway through, she's like, can we leave? Like, this is terrible. Like, this movie is not funny at all. Like, I don't think you can leave a premiere. Right. I think you're not allowed to leave the premiere. So the thing finishes. There's like a cocktail reception in the lobby. Walk out. Hey, Bruce. Thanks for inviting us. Good luck with the movie. We're walking like, good luck with that thing. So like 3 weeks later, we're watching Entertainment Tonight. We're back home. It's like, and for the third consecutive week, the #1 movie at the box office is Weekend at Bernie's. And we're like, you got to be kidding me.